And boom guys, look at my FC points. Hello there people and welcome to my brand new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got FC points unlimited for FC Mobile. Absolutely free, safe and online guys, without downloading any mod or anything major guys. It's working perfectly on both Android and iOS devices. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called AppLoop, then type in search FC Mobile and you will find the online tool. Click there guys and I will have to enter our user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here. Let me just show you. So open the game, click on settings and you have this user ID. Just copy. Okay, let's get back to our tool and paste it just like that. Press continue guys and let's see the next step. Okay, user found. The next step is select our FC points. So I'll go with the maximum guys. So let me click continue and let's see does it actually work. So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for FC Mobile, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with the new tutorials. So let's go to the next step. AP connected, nice. Just scroll down and press I'm not robot to verify yourself. Perfect guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go and it will start the loading from the official publisher of the app. Are downloaded, complete the task. Below each task you have a description what you have to do. It's super easy. So I will download Travel Town and I will download TikTok and complete the task. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened, so let's wait together. Let's see. Nice guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the vote check. Your FC points are on the way guys. I'm so excited to test this, so let me open the game and let's see does it actually works. Let's see guys. And boom guys, look at my FC points. It's actually generating this hack working perfectly. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.